Right, Jeff. Yes, we just wrapped up that news conference. Not a lot of change. The manhunt is still underway. Right now, the information that we know about him is that he's somewhere in his 30s. He's wearing a black shirt and khaki shorts. He did slash a couple police tires. They just said at least 20 of the tires were slashed at that time, and now they have a perimeter set up around the area. He was last seen around Hendrick Chevrolet. That area is blocked off, and they're asking that people don't go down 31. And there is a shelter in place, but this is only for one specific area. It's called Star Lake. Right now, that's the most information that we have. There is a warning out to residents in the Hoover area. As he said before, we should try to stay out of this area while police are working, and we're going